Hello and welcome to a series of spotlight videos where we give you the inside scoop on Avon's beauty products. Introducing the VDL Expert Color Primer for Eyes. This primer is specially formulated for use on the eyelid and area around the eye to help your eye makeup last all day long while taking care of the skin underneath. By preventing creasing and smearing while brightening the eye area, the primer enhances your eye makeup and helps create more vibrant colors. This product is sure to be a staple in your eye makeup routine. The primers disperse evenly and naturally hold onto the skin without tugging on the delicate eye area. Spherical powder and oil gel fill in and smoothen out bumps and creases in the skin, acting as the ultimate prep for any eye makeup applied afterwards. This incredible primer comes in 3 different shades to help support 3 different makeup looks: Original, Shimmer, and Serenity, which is used to support a matte look. All shades of this eye primer contain silk sericin and silk protein to help keep the eye area skin soft and to help with its elasticity. The formula also features Tahitian black pearl powder, an ingredient rich in amino acids that supports the sensitive eye area by brightening, moisturizing, and helping skin look and feel healthier. The shade of VDL eye primer you pick depends on the look you're going for and the type of eye makeup you usually use. Original, your everyday primer. This is a natural basic eye primer that supports a variety of eye makeup looks. Serenity enhances matte eye makeup and helps brighten skin around the eyes. And Shimmer is ideal to apply as a base for shimmery eye makeup. It can also be worn alone for a natural glow. When applying the eye primer, make sure to apply a small amount on clean eyelids using your fingertips, then pat gently to help it absorb. When the formula dries, you can begin applying any eye makeup you'd like, or wear the primer alone. You'll instantly fall in love with this eye primer that not only cares for the skin around your eyes, but also enhances the colors of your eye makeup and makes it long-lasting. Enjoy this game-changing addition to your makeup collection, and remember to make life beautiful with Avon.